Today the topic of Yamaha RX 100 bike is for wheel spokes. As you know, when Yamaha RX 100 bike was launched in 1985, it had the most chrome plated parts. The wheel spoke was also one of them. After 89, these bikes started coming in simple galvanized spoke and the chrome plated were discontinued. Originally, it used to come with lightweight wheels which provide support in speed. This was subsequently reduced in the market as the spoke wheel takes too long to maintain. Therefore, people started putting alloy wheel instead of spoke rim. But the differences between the two is that it is expensive to maintain alloy wheel. On the other hand, it is easier and cheaper to maintain spoke wheel. When a spoke starts to break in the spoke wheel, it means that your wheel balance has deteriorated. But in the alloy wheel, you don't know when your wheel is bent. Also, the alloy wheel does not have chrome shine and only has simple black or silver paint. But the spoke wheel has chrome and the beauty of the bike is made on seeing it. By default, the spoke wheel has 36 spokes and a total of 72 spokes covering both rims. To keep the spokes clean from rusting, you should apply some oil to the nipple because when you sand the rim to service, its spokes will open easily. It is used two types of spokes in the Yamaha RX 100. The first is galvanized spokes coated with zinc layer, a protected layer that protects against moisture and oxygen related weather. But if it is not real or original, it only takes 1 year until it turns black to rust. And if it is original, then it takes 3 to 5 years for black to rust. Second is chrome plated spokes. The chrome plated spokes are now available in the market almost often. Because its buyer are very less, they are in less demand in the market. Along with this, these are also very expensive and their maintenance is also very much, for which no one has time. But once maintained, the beauty of the bike remains very good through this. If you need any repairing or alignment in the spoke wheel, you can go to your nearest bicycle shop and get it aligned. But if you have alloy wheel, you have to replace the wheel or go to the wheel balancing shop, which is more expensive. This wheel does not support Yamaha RX 100 speed and pickup. My advice to you here is that if you want good pickup and speed in your bike, then go to the original spoke wheel. The specialty of a good chrome plated spoke wheel is that it always shines. It will always be with you if you maintain it properly on time. And if you don't maintain properly, then its lifetime will be maximum 8 to 10 years. I have got the best quality parts in my bike. There is no rust in my wheel spokes, as you can see. But I have lost a bit of shine. I am fond of maintaining the bike, so I have purchased both the quality of original spokes. I will get it done in future when I get time. So let's look in the video. As you can see, I have both types of spokes. This is galvanized and this is chrome plated. These spokes can be found easily in your local area, but make sure one packet contains 36 spokes. It takes a lot of time to clean if installed in your bike, and if you don't maintain properly these spokes, then it will rapidly come in the contact of rust within the 2 year or 3 years. To maintain these spokes, apply some lubricant on its nipple here, so that it may easily open, and do some extra care in rainy season. You can use chrome powder to remove the rust from the bike spokes. Also, these are low budget maintenance spokes. The price of these original spokes will be around 500 to 600 rupees in your local area for one packet. And I suggest you here purchase the galvanized medium carbon steel wire with rust resistance as it is. The second one is chrome plated carbon steel wire with rust resistance. This type of spokes you will not find easily in your area. Also, it needs extra care in rainy season. If you maintain it properly time to time, then it will be long last, ever shine and good looking. The cost of these original types of spokes are very costly, around 2000 to 2500 rupees for 36 spokes. The rust cannot touch these spokes because it is chrome plated, but it needs extra care in rainy season. If rust will contact slightly in rainy season, in that case you have to remove that rust properly time to time. It also needs to be lubricated before rainy season from the nipple side here. The lifespan of these spokes will be more than 20 years if you care properly. In my bike, I got chrome plated spokes from the beginning by the company, so I always like and maintain my bike spokes. This is the reason why I have purchased both categories of spokes for my bike Yamaha RX100 for stock. Also, I recommend you to install spokes type rim in your bike so that your bike speed and pickup will be maintained. At last, I think you would like this video and follow my advice for betterment of your bike. And thank you for watching this video.